In front of me, we've got a Chausson camper van. No, it's a motorhome, not a camper van, and it does come with an Arctic packet. So this Ford motorhome is designed for the Arctic, or so it says. This is a sidebed version, 66,000 euros. It is the Chausson S695, and let's have a look inside what else it's got. So obviously the chairs will fold round. You might like the color, you might not. The green here, as a rule, I don't like it in camper vans. It doesn't look too bad here, but probably because the lights are bad and I can't see it properly, because there's that thermal blind on the outside, which, to be quite honest, doesn't look very Arctic like to me. But we'll have another look at that on the outside if I remember. Over here we have a kitchen block, we've got the sink, we've got two burners here, and there's a warning there which says if you're cooking, it's essential to provide additional ventilation, such as opening windows near the grill, cooker and oven. Do not use cooking appliances for space heating. Yeah, because it comes with your own heater, which is there. Webasto. Right, here we have a fridge, opens up like that, and on this side there's the toilet and rather spacious shower unit. We can press this in here and this will come out, only have to do it a bit more. There we go, and there you find your shower head, and you also sit there whilst you're trying to get your feet clean. A bit of storage in the washroom. Here this corner bed steps up to it. Notice how high it is, and that's going to have some advantages from the outside. It's going to give a much bigger garage. Now, what about all these steps up here? What do you think of that? This is thinking outside the box. I think it's giving extra space. I think it's creating storage space as well. I've given that a plus. Here we have a curtain, privacy curtain, which comes not only around this window here, but also it comes around there like that. So quite, I think that's quite impressive actually, that curtain. I'll open it a bit more so allow some light to get in if I can. I can't, so never mind. Pull that across there. There we go. Right, so it's a compact shape, I think. From that point of view, I quite like it. What's the point of this here? Well, a bit more storage under there. Let's go outside. Ford, I know there are people who don't like the Ford. I know the reasons, but I don't think there's any statistical evidence that the wet chain in the Ford is worse. If anybody's got statistical evidence, then please do present it. Anyway, but I know there's some people who don't like it at all. There's your door. 2 hooks in the door. I think you can get a window in as well if you pay a bit more cash. There you go. There's some tables and bits of other stuff from camper vans and motorhomes. And door on that side is smaller, but that garage is absolutely enormous. And bear in mind, this is not a particularly large vehicle. It's only 659 centimeters in length. So coming around here, we've got, there's the Truma, there's the toilet cassette, we've got outer storage which is under the seat, and CC trail. Now let's have a look at this. I should have done that from the inside. So it seems to me that what they're claiming to be an Arctic packet is this sort of screen in here, which, to be quite honest, isn't going to make much difference. Now, if you use a screen, there is a huge difference between putting one internally and one externally. Maybe it comes with an external one. Maybe I ought to find out what is in this Arctic packet. In fact, it'll be written below, if I remember to put it in the description, because I have written it up in the past. I think calling Arctic packet is probably, maybe it's an Arctic summer packet, that might be a better way of putting it. €3,000 almost for it, which is offered in the price of this vehicle. You can get all sorts of things added extra to vehicles these days. Okay, good, thanks for watching, hope you found it interesting, and so lots of videos about motorhomes, camper vans on this channel, and if this is the sort of thing that interests you, then I upload every day at 21:15. So from me, all the best and bye for now.